Okay, I'm going to show you how I've been making hand sanitizer at home. It's really easy. You just need 2 ingredients. You need rubbing alcohol, which there are other options for if you can't find any because it's pretty difficult to find right now. And you need aloe vera gel. Once again, there's other options for this as well, but I really recommend if you can find these 2, these are the best. And some sort of essential oil to really cut the alcoholic smell that comes out of making this because it's really, really potent. I'm using spearmint, but people use like lavender or tea tree oil or anything like that works as well. And basically like this is what your product looks like at the end. It's more of like a gel, I would say, than a spray. Like you can almost see the aloe vera at the bottom, like the gel. And it's pretty easy to use and it's like really potent, and because like hand sanitizer is so difficult